5 powerful ways to lower your cancer risk. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But there are steps you can take to reduce your risk. Here are 5 powerful ways to lower your cancer risk. Maintaining a healthy weight is key to reducing your risk of cancer. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of cancer. Quitting smoking is one of the best ways to reduce your cancer risk. Smoking is linked to an increased risk of various types of cancer, including lung, bladder, and pancreatic cancer. Limiting your alcohol intake is another way to reduce your cancer risk. Heavy drinking can increase your risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, liver, and colorectal cancer. Protecting yourself from the sun is essential to reducing your risk of skin cancer. Wear sunscreen when you're outside and cover up with clothing to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Getting regular cancer screenings is an important step in reducing your risk of cancer. Talk to your doctor about which screenings are right for you and make sure to get them done on a regular basis. Making healthy lifestyle choices is the best way to reduce your risk of cancer. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, quitting smoking, limiting alcohol intake, protecting yourself from the sun, and getting regular cancer screenings are all key to reducing your risk.